How to attract butterflies with native plants in your yard. Creating a butterfly-friendly yard is a rewarding endeavor that benefits both you and local ecosystems. By incorporating native plants into your garden, you can provide the food and habitat butterflies need to thrive. Here's a guide on how to attract butterflies with native plants in your yard. Understand the importance of native plants. Native plants are essential for attracting butterflies as they provide the right nectar and host plants for caterpillars. They are adapted to local conditions, requiring less water and maintenance than non-native species. By planting natives, you support local wildlife and promote biodiversity in your area. Choose nectar-rich flowers for adult butterflies. Butterflies primarily feed on nectar from flowers. Select a variety of nectar-rich native plants such as coneflowers, echinacea, black-eyed Susans, rudbeckia, and milkweed, asclepias. These plants are not only attractive but also essential for adult butterflies. Aim for a mix of blooming times to ensure a consistent food source throughout the growing season. Provide host plants for butterfly caterpillars. To support butterfly populations, include host plants where caterpillars can feed and grow. Different butterfly species have specific host plants. For example, swallowtail butterflies prefer parsley and fennel, while monarch butterflies rely on milkweed. Research local butterfly species and the corresponding host plants to create a supportive environment. Create a sunny spot for butterfly basking. Butterflies are cold-blooded and rely on sunlight to warm up. Ensure your yard has sunny areas where butterflies can bask. Clear away any dense foliage or debris that might block sunlight. Consider placing flat stones or sunbathing benches where butterflies can rest and soak up the warmth. Include water sources for hydration. Like all creatures, butterflies need water to survive. Create shallow water sources using bird baths or small dishes filled with sand and water. Ensure the water is shallow enough for butterflies to land safely while drinking. Adding pebbles or stones will provide a landing pad and help them access the water easily. Plant in clusters for better visibility. When planting native flowers, group them in clusters instead of scattering them throughout the yard. Butterflies are more likely to notice and visit clusters of flowers, making it easier for them to find food sources. Aim for a variety of colors and heights to create a visually appealing and inviting landscape. Avoid pesticides for a healthy habitat. Pesticides can harm butterflies and other beneficial insects. Opt for natural pest control methods and promote biodiversity in your garden to keep pests in check. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, which can help manage pest populations without harming butterflies. Educate others and involve the community. Creating a butterfly garden can be even more impactful when involving your community. Share your knowledge about native plants and butterfly conservation with neighbors and friends. Organize community planting days or workshops to spread awareness and inspire others to create butterfly-friendly spaces in their yards. Conclusion: enjoy the beauty of butterflies in your yard. Attracting butterflies with native plants is an enriching experience that enhances your garden's beauty and supports local ecosystems. By understanding the needs of butterflies and creating a welcoming environment, you can enjoy the vibrant colors and graceful movements of these magnificent creatures in your yard. Your efforts will contribute to the preservation of butterflies and foster a deeper connection with nature.